That's number 7. Look at number 8. Number 8 says, how do you convert 2/3 to a percentage? So I want 2/3 into a percentage. So basically, I would take 2/3 and I'm going to basically multiply it by 100% for me to figure out the percentage, right? So again, percentage just means 100%. So I'm taking 2/3, I'm going to multiply that by 100% in order to figure out how much percent that is, right? So in this case, what you would do is you would, again, you would take 100% here is basically 100 over 1, right? So it's 2/3 times 100 over 1. So 2 times 100 here is 200 divided by 3, right? And I would have to figure out what this is in percentage, right? So I would have to basically convert this into a mixed fraction. So in order for us to do that, again, I'm simply just doing 3 divided by 200 here, and we're going to do long division, right? So 3 times what number would give me 20? 3 times 6 is closest to 20, would give me 18. 20 minus 18 here is 2. Bring down another 0. Again, 3 times what number is 20? Again, it's going to be 6. So again, 18. So 20 minus 18 here is 2. And as you can see, it keeps repeating, right? Because I all have zeros here. So my 66 is going to go here. And as you can, I bring down the 0, it's going to be a 6 again. And then this process is going to repeat again, right? So again, it's going to be 66.66, and basically it's going to repeat. So basically, what percentage do I have here? I'm going to get basically this percentage here. It's going to be 66.6, basically bar percent here. And the bar just means that the 6's are repeating here. So this solution is 66.6% here. And as you can see here, it says 2/3 times 100% equals approximately 66.67, exactly the same answer as I got here. So solution is correct. Good explanation as well.